Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to download Spotify songs for offline use. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. By the way, you must have a Spotify premium account and must be connected to internet. So first, you need to open the Spotify, launch the Spotify app and log in into your premium account. So here's the thing, you can choose what you want to download, but you can't download individual songs. Let me highlight that. You can download playlists, albums, or podcasts. And to download, all you have to do is to simply tap on this download option right here. And you need to be premium in order for you to start your download. So once you have upgraded your account into premium, then you should see this one. Once you tap download, then it will begin downloading your album, the podcast or playlist that you have selected. So once you're done, and then you can toggle the green once the download starts. Once downloaded, a green arrow appears next to the track. So you can just basically play this album playlist even if you are offline. So songs will be downloaded and will be available offline. Now, again, you can download playlist, album, podcast if you haven't upgraded your account into premium. So that's how easy it is to download Spotify songs for offline use. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.